Welcome everyone, here's how you lock the screen on your iPhone for YouTube. So the first step is open up the settings app. You're then going to find accessibility. If you don't see accessibility here, tap into general, then you'll see accessibility. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you see guided access. Tap on this one, tap the toggle to turn on guided access, tap on the toggle to turn on accessibility shortcuts. If this option is already on, tap on it to turn it off and on, because sometimes it glitches out. Then go back, tap on accessibility shortcuts and make sure guided access is at the top. If it's not at the top, long press on those triple lines and drag it up, and make sure any other option here which may be ticked, you untick. Then you want to go back, find touch, then find assistive touch. Make sure assistive touch is turned off. Make sure these custom actions are all set to none. Okay, make sure on the customize top level menu everything is removed. Okay, just tap on the minus until there's one option left. Assistive touch may cause issues with guided access. Sometimes it just doesn't work, so if that's the case, doing the following will solve any issues with guided access not working. Then from here we're going to open up the YouTube app, and here is the deal. Are you going to lock the screen so that you cannot exit the YouTube app, or are you going to lock the screen so you can't touch the screen, okay, so the touch won't work? Because if you're going to lock the screen so the touch won't work, then what that means is you have to first of all, I'll just skip any ads here, you have to first of all place the device into landscape mode, make sure the video is playing, okay, so I'm just going to play this and have the audio off, then proceed, okay. If you just locking YouTube app regularly, you can still use touch, then don't worry about this. Then we're going to triple click the power button or triple click the home button. So if you have a home button, triple click the home button. No home button, triple click the power button. So click, 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 and now you'll be brought to this view. So if you want to lock the screen so that the touch screen will not work, tap on options, and when you see touch, tap on this one to turn it off. Make sure before you do this, the video in the background is playing, otherwise you won't be able to play it. So this was already playing, do the triple click, and touch is off. And then I tap on start. If you just want to lock the YouTube app so no one could exit out of it, make sure touch is still on, but turn off stuff like side button, volume buttons, motion, etc. And then once you're good to go, tap on start. It will ask for a passcode, just enter in the passcode, and you're good to go. So guided access has started, and I cannot touch the screen, okay? Like I'm literally pressing down, okay? I'm not a magician, not yet. And yeah, this is not responding to my touch at all. Clicking these buttons here, nothing is being responded to at all. Now once you want to stop the session here, allow access to the touchscreen or the buttons, triple click either the power button or home button, re-enter that passcode, tap on end, and just like that you're good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.